You may have a family member, maybe a friend with little ones who often tell you that they are just trying to survive and they're dealing with something called mom brain. Well, there's some truth to that. A new study shows a woman's brain may actually shrink in size and function differently during and after pregnancy. We spoke to a mom from Mansfield willing to share her story. Marty McDonald motivates women for a living.
Get a check. You get a check. You get a check.
She's the founder of a movement called Boss Women Media, launching a children's line called Ella Livia. That's her daughter's name, a little girl she and her husband prayed for. You know what? A year later, she was pregnant again with twins.
When they told me I was having twins, I cried like a baby. And not in excitement. I'm just going to be honest, right? Like, it felt overwhelming. It felt impossible. I was already running 2 businesses with a 1-year-old.
Marty, like most moms, made it work. She just wants to be a good mom and hit new milestones in her career, looking back at a very traumatic childbirth experience.
One came out vaginally. The other one I had to do an emergency C-section. So I didn't even allow myself the space to rest.
Pregnancy is fascinating, and even after doing this for 18 years, I'm still in awe.
Dr. Tiffany Woodis says pregnancy overhauls a woman's body, and the brain is no exception, hence the term mom brain. It's what causes us to forget or maybe confuse things.
You know, we've recently received this exciting research out of the University of California at Santa Barbara, where scientists were able to actually use precision imaging to understand how the pregnant brain changes during that critical time of our lives.
In fact, a new detailed study here of a woman's brain before, during, and after pregnancy revealed neural changes, some of which stuck around several months after a baby was born.
Not only that, we see heart changes, we see changes with the musculoskeletal system, we see emotional changes, hormonal changes, and some studies suggest that it takes anywhere from 2 months to even 2 years for our systems to go back to baseline. I just encourage mamas to lean into what you can control.
For Marty McDonald, she's taking advice from the doc, giving herself more grace along the way.